Reliant Water Technologies Wet Well Wizard is the ultimate answer to the elimination of odor and fats, oils, and grease, or fog, in the wet wells of collection systems. With its patent-pending, robust design and simplicity, it is what the wastewater industry has been looking for to provide the ultimate cleanup for one of the most problematic and expensive maintenance issues in the industry. This 8-foot diameter wet well had a fog cap measuring 10 to 12 inches at the time of its Wizard installation. Prior to the installation of any Wizard system, it is suggested that a fog cutting tool, somewhat like the one utilized here, be used for purposes of segmenting the fog cap and providing incisions on the bottom of the cap within which quick fog emulsion can take place. Most towns already utilize a tool much like the one shown, but Reliant Water Technical Bulletin number TB-WW1 can provide further information on the use of this tool. But even if the fog cap is not cut up and segmented, the Wizard will dissolve or emulsify the cap. It will just take longer. Once the Wizard is installed, away from the pump volute, and the feeder hose is tie-wrapped at the top of the well in order to keep the Wizard away from the pump, the blower can be turned on and the active cleanup will begin. The aggressive bubble action of the Wizard immediately begins to cut the cap into pieces and emulsify it. It is expected that within 24 hours of the power-up of the Wizard system, over 95% of the sludge cap will be eliminated, never to return. After 20 hours of operation, this 12-inch fog cap has been eliminated except for some small amounts of floating sludge that are trapped behind pipes and cables that are against the wall. Over time, that sludge will also be eliminated by the extreme surface action generated by the Wizard. It is important to notice that the water in the well is ink black. This coloration is caused by the fact that the water is completely anaerobic, with only an anaerobic microbial population living in the well water. 60 days after the startup of the Wizard system, the fog cap is still gone, but now you can clearly see through the water. Notice that there is no longer sludge debris behind the vertical structures of the well, only some small pieces of plastic that are caught onto the structures. Not only is the well water clear enough to see through, but there is also no black color left. That is because the microbial population in the wet well is now totally aerobic, and the well water is continually holding and passing downstream 4+ ppm of dissolved oxygen-laden water. This high DO water also carries aerobes into the interconnect pipes and downstream to other lift stations.